side is finished. It's full. We have only 6. So that's why I have this pan. I'm going to pour the rest into this pan. That means I'm showing you, if you don't have a cupcake pan, that's fine. You can go to 99 shop and buy those pan, aluminum pan, and put it in. If you want it fancy, you put it in a cupcake because it's a cupcake. I'm going to eat it for dessert. All right. Okay, now make sure you tap it. Okay, you tap it. I have my chocolate chips here. Going to put the chocolate chips on top of the each cupcake. All right. Okay, now it's ready. It's going to go in the oven. Remember, you have to brush your pan with the butter or oil first before you put your banana bread or cupcakes. If you don't brush it, it will be so sticky. It will stick in. You can't get it out. So I have my pan here. This is going here, and this one will go here. All right, it's going to the oven, 325 degrees. Okay, you can put it the temperature you prefer, or the temperature you know in Europe, because we say it's different here. 325 degrees for 30 minutes. Okay guys, now it's ready. Ready. The cupcake is ready. Let's see how we're gonna eat it. Simple ingredients. You are done. Let's grab the plates. See if it will come out. Oh, it's hot. Okay. Let's see if you come out. Nice. It's still hot. Let's take this. That is the end of my video, folks. The cupcake is ready. Let's try it. Oh my goodness gracious. It looks good. It looks good. This is going to my mouth. Let's check the big one and see. It is so good. Look at that. You can smell the peanut butter. You can smell every ingredient I put. Now, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to be kind and nice to everyone. Family Chef. Next week, I'll bring more video. Bye-bye.